Good morning, friends. Last practical I have discussed the determination of motility by hanging drop method. In today's practical, we will see the next practical, that is to study or the study of morphology of bacteria by use of acid fast staining or Ziel and Nelson staining method. Yes, today we will see the next practical, that is to study the morphology of bacteria by use of acid fast staining or Ziel and Nelson staining. We will see this practical. It is the technique, that is acid fast staining is one of the most widely used differential staining procedure in bacteriological study. And this stain, that is acid fast stain, it was first developed by Paul Ehrlich in 1882. Yes, it is first developed by this acid fast stain is first developed by Paul Ehrlich in 1882, and Ziel and Nelson independently proposed the acid fast stain in 1882 to the 1883. Yes, what I am saying, it is the differential staining procedure for bacteriological studies. And then next, it is important, that is this stain was first developed by Paul Ehrlich in 1882. Then Ziel and Nelson independently proposed the acid fast stain in 1882 to 1883, which is commonly used today. Then the some types of bacteria resist the decoloration by acid as well as alcohol, or both acid and alcohol, hence stated as a acid fast organism. Yes, what I am saying, what is acid fast organism? It means some type of bacteria, it resists decoloration of acid as well as alcohol, then it is, or hence it is called as acid fast organism. Yes, in this process the carbol fuchsin is the primary stain, that is it gives stain to the bacteria, it means it gives color to the bacteria, that is stain. It gives, or it is used as a primary stain. Yes, what is primary stain? For it is carbol fuchsin, it is used as a primary stain. Then 3% HCl, 95% alcohol is is used as a decolorizer, and methylene blue is act as a counter stain. Yes, keep in mind, in this process or in this practical, what the carbol fuchsin, it is used as a primary stain. Then 3% of HCl and 95% of what, the 95% of alcohol is used as a decolorizers, and what, then the methylene blue, it act as what, it is used as a counter stain. The most acid fast bacteria, it causes dangerous diseases like tuberculosis, leprosy. Then the acid fast bacteria, it contains the large amount of lipid material along with fatty acids and waxes. Yes, the acid fast bacteria, it contain what, it contain the large amount of lipid material along with fatty acids and waxes. It has wax filled cell wall which are impermeable. Yes, this organism having, or it has wax filled cell wall which are impermeable. Due to this waxy cell wall, the special precautions are required to stain the cells. Yes, due to this waxy nature, there should be special precaution will be required to stain the cells. Then carbol fuchsin compromises the 5% of phenol, which plays an important role of chemical intensifier, and it assists in penetration. Then the heat transfer help in it, and stain so penetrated is retained by the decolorizer. The aim of this experiment is to study the morphology of bacteria, or to study the morphology by acid fast staining or the Ziel Nelson staining. Then we will see the requirement of this practical. In that first apparatus, microscope, then glass slides, then cover slip, staining tray, then inoculating loop, that is your nichrome wire loop, then Bunsen burner, then chemicals. These are the apparatus. Yes, first microscope, then glass slides, cover slip, then staining tray, next inoculating loop, that is your nichrome wire loop, then Bunsen burner, then we will see the chemicals. In that first carbamazepine, then methylene blue, then malachite green, acid alcohol. In that acid alcohol, in that 3% HCl and 95% of alcohol. Then broth culture of different organisms. Then we will see. So this is all about the requirements. In that outer apparatus, microscope, then glass slide, cover slip, staining tray, then inoculating loop, that is nichrome wire loop, then burner, then chemicals. In that first carbamazepine, then methylene blue, then malachite green, then acid. In that acid it is 3% HCl, and alcohol it is 95% alcohol, and different broth cultures are different samples of organism. Then we will see procedure. In that first, prepare a smear of given bacterial suspension. For that, allow the smear to dry in air, then fix by the use of heating. It means at the center of glass slide, take a drop of our sample, then by the use of another slide, or by the moving this slide, make a thin smear of this bacterial suspension, then allow the smear to dry in air, and then this smear is fixed by use of heating. Yes, then take carbamazepine stain and overflow the smear with it, then heat the slide from below till steam rises. Yes, heat the slide from below side till steam rises, at least for 5 minutes. But do not boil the stain, and also ensure that stain should not be dried out. Yes, heating, care should be taken during heating. The stain should not be boiled, and ensure that in the stain it should not be dried also boiled. It means during heating care should be taken. What care should be taken? First, that is your stain, it should not be boiled, and second care, your stain, it should not be dried out. Then allow the slide to cool approximately for 5 minutes to protect that slide from breakage. In the latter step, then wash with tap water, then decolorize the slide by use of acid and alcohol. Yes, acid alcohol. In that, yes, what is proportion? 3% of acid, that is HCl, and 95% of alcohol, until the carbamazepine fails to wash the smear. Then wash the slide with tap water and counter the stain with 1% of aqueous malachite green. Yes, malachite green is used as a counter stain, or malachite green or methylene blue is used as a counter stain for 1 to 2 minutes. Then wash the smear, then dry the slide in air, and observe the slide under microscope, that is oil immersion objective. Yes, this is all about procedure. Then result, the slide one, it shows what? Thin bright red, then slightly curved bacilli with beaded appearance. It's showing the palisade arrangement, and blue colored cocci arranged in cluster is found in second slide. Yes, slide 1, it shows thin bright red and slightly curved bacilli with beaded appearance. It's showing the palisade arrangement. And in second slide, the blue colored cocci, and these are arranged in cluster. Yes, this is the observation in for both slide 1 and slide 2. I am repeating the procedure. First, prepare the smear of given bacterial suspension. Then allow the smear to dry in air, and then this smear is fixed by the use of fitting. Then take carbal fission stain and overflow the smear with it. Then heat the slide from below. Then this slide is heated from below then till the steam rises at least for 5 minutes, but care should be taken during heating. The stain, it should not be boiled or it should not be over dried. Then allow the slide to cool approximately for 5 minutes. Then to protect the slide from breakage in the latter step, wash with tap water, then decolorize, then wash with tap water, then decolorize the slide by using acid alcohol, in that 3% HCl and 95% of what, that is 95% of alcohol. Then decolorize the slide by use of acid and alcohol until carbol carbol fusin fails to wash the smear. Then wash that slide with tap water and counter stain with 1% of aqueous malachite green or methylene blue solution for 1 to 2 minutes and wash the smear. Then dry the slide and observe the slide under microscope, that is oil immersion objective. Then what is the result? The slide first shows thin bright red slightly curved bacilli with beaded appearance. It's showing the palisade arrangement, and blue colored cocci are arranged in cluster is found in a second slide. Then at the last, that is conclusion from the thin bright red slightly curved bacilli with beaded appearance. It shows palisade arrangement. It confirms that the structure of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And if the blue colored bacilli arranged in cluster hints, then it is Staphylococci structure. Yes, what is conclusion or what is observation? If the slide shows presence of bright red slightly curved bacilli with beaded appearance or showing the palisade arrangement, then it confirms that the structure, it is of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And if the slide shows presence of blue colored cocci arranged in cluster, then it shows or it confirms that it is Staphylococci. Yes, what I am saying, I am repeating the observation or conclusion. What I am saying, first, if the slide shows presence of what? Thin bright red slightly curved bacilli with beaded appearance showing palisade arrangement, then it confirms that it is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And if our slide, it shows presence of blue colored cocci arranged in cluster, then it shows what? It shows the Staphylococci. This is all about acid fast staining method. Yes, this method is used for to study the morphology of bacteria. Yes, this is all about the acid fast staining. I will stop here.